Hey there everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a one-day build, building a sign for Justin over at the Good of the Land. He puts out some great content, it's really interesting, you know, very active. But one thing that he's hit on a couple times that I really appreciate is like the value of, you know, passing on what you know. It's something that's big for me. It's one of the reasons I have an intern. It's one of the reasons I welcome people into the shop if they want to come by and visit. And I'm going to be meeting up with him at SV Seeker tomorrow. So let's go ahead and just knock a sign out. The first thing we're gonna do is cut out the letters on the plasma table with the new upgraded HTP Microcut 875 SC. And we'll get those cut, we'll get them ground, we'll get them cleaned up. We're gonna be doing an offset lettering sign similar to the one I did about a year ago. So let's go for it. So we start out with the solid background of the sign, which has matching holes cut to match the lettering. And we're gonna weld in a piece of 1/8 inch rod into each one of these holes. And then that will line up with the lettering, make it easy to put them on, take them back off again if we have to. All right, so the next part of this is to take these magnets that give me an 1.5 inch standoff, set them up, and then we'll drop the letters down over all these rods and weld them flush. There we go, that's the first word. And it's just a whole lot of rinse, lather, repeat. So you'll see that sometimes we didn't actually get a good penetration on the first weld because we're welding around that rod. And when we grind it off, it just falls away. We put it back in place, re-weld it. What I love about welding, just fill the gap in. So in order to avoid painting the background when we paint the letters, we're gonna cover everything with sand. Alrighty everybody, this is a fun little build. I love doing projects like this. You know, you get them done in an afternoon and they're fun. That's all there is to say about it. That's why I do what I do. Go check out Justin's channel at the Good of the Land. He's coming right up on that 100,000 subscriber mark, which is a big accomplishment. Go check him out, subscribe. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time. Hey Justin, come here. We got a little something for you, Justin. What you got?
Oh, dude!
Yep, there you go.
Are you kidding me?
Birthday present, early 100,000 subscriber present. There you go.
That is awesome!
Dude,
heck of a job!
Yeah.
Is the shadow showing up right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that is awesome. This kind of stuff means more to me than anything else. No joke.
I like doing it.
You guys see this? This is incredible. We're definitely gonna hang this in the museum. It's gotta go in the museum. I think, I don't know. God, man, it's just perfect. You did this all by hand with a file, huh?
Yeah. Definitely, it was all by hand.